Hello guys, welcome back to Cunning Money. I'm your host Nipun, and today I'm going to show you how you can delete WordPress from your cPanel. So let's get on with it. First, you want to open your browser. Let me show you what my website looks like. It's a dummy website, so it's going to be looking like this. It's totally unedited, nothing in there. Okay, let me open my cPanel next. Okay, so what you gotta do to open your cPanel, type in your website name / cPanel, then it will take you to your login page. To get your login information, you can contact your hosting support and actually ask them about all the information you need to fill here or the link to get to cPanel if you don't have it before. After you log in, it puts you onto the dashboard. This is the dashboard. So you're gonna have to go down here to softaculous app installer. If you don't see this place, you're gonna go up here. You can always go into this place. It is the similar, but it's more like an app instead of a bar or a place bar. Okay, so we're gonna click on WordPress, and my site was Ho Media. Let's see, where is it? Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna remove it. To do that, I'm gonna click on this remove button here, and I'm gonna leave all these three checked, and I'm gonna have to click on remove installation. So let's see how it looked before. This is how it looks. Now let's remove and close that tab. It's gonna load in. Okay, return to overview. Okay, control and that was the website. Now it looks like this. So that's how you remove your WordPress. That's how you remove your WordPress from cPanel for any website. If you guys like this video, please share, subscribe, and comment. If you want to see another video like this, whichever type you want, just comment in and comment it, and I will make it for sure.